For this problem, we need to figure out how many solutions the system of equations has. Okay? So first, we need to look at the x term or the slope of the equations. These equations are in slope-intercept form. So the slope for both equations is 2. The x terms are identical, okay? When we have identical slopes or identical x terms, we next need to look at the y-intercepts. When there is no y-intercept, it is understood that the y-intercept is 0. We can see here that we have different y-intercepts, but we have the same slope or the same x terms. As a result, there is no solution for this system of equation. These lines are parallel. They will never touch, and so there will never be a solution that makes both equations true.